Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the Event ID 131 error in Windows Event Viewer, where your system can't grab metadata from a device you've connected. You might see metadata starting fail message, but don't worry, we'll sort it out step by step. Let's dive in. This happens when Windows can't resolve a metadata link blocking new device installs. We're fixing it with a registry tweak, simple stuff. Open the search menu, type rigid, right-click Registry, Edit, and choose Run as Administrator. Before we mess with anything, let's back up the registry just in case. Click File, then Export, name it today's date, set its export range to all, and save it somewhere easy to find, like your desktop. If anything goes wrong, you can restore it by choosing File, Import, and picking that file as its safety name. Now let's go to work. Double-click H-key Local Machine, then Software. Scroll to Microsoft, double-click, and find Windows. Open that, then double-click Current Version. Look for Device Metadata, double-click that too. Check the file path at the top. If you need the path, it's hke_local_machine/software/Microsoft Windows/current version device metadata. On the right, find device metadata service URL. Double-click it in that value field. Paste the window link from my description. It's a legit Microsoft.com URL. Hit OK, close the registry editor, and restart your PC. Give it a minute to reboot, then see that the error is gone. One more trick, you can still do Open Search Menu and type Advanced System Settings. Hit Enter and go to Hardware tab, click a Device Installation Settings, and choose No to stop Windows from auto-downloading manufacturer apps and icons. Hit Save Change. If you adjust it, then close. That should keep this smooth. That's it, folks. If this fixed your Event ID 131 ever, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more awesome tips. See you in next time.